I'm Sharon Bill. Welcome to my Music Theory Tuition series where I work with you step by step through the ABRSM Discovering Music Theory grades. I'll work through every single exercise and explain everything you need to know. You can access information about the books I have available to help you on my website. Go to sharonbill.com. For advert-free and longer lessons, you can become a patron at patreon.com/SharonBill. If you can give me a like, that would be super, and please do subscribe to my channel to stay updated. You can support this channel by buying me a coffee at buymeacoffee.com/SharonBill. Let's press on now to page 32 of the Grade 3 Discovering Music Theory. We get some more opportunity to try and remember the different key signatures that are required for all of the related keys working up to 4 sharps or 4 flats. And so we continue with exercise 2, where we look at the key signatures to see if these key signatures are correct. And so we have to bear in mind that C sharp minor is related to E major, and that has a key signature of 4 sharps, F, C, G, D sharps, and so we need to work out which of these is the correct key signature. Well, that's flats, actually that's E flat major, that would be C minor. Here's our F, C, G, D, that's correct. This would be correct if it was in the treble clef. They're placed in the wrong place. They are placed as if they're written in the treble clef. And so if you've not done so already, I do suggest you try these. So just press pause, have a go at these final few, and then let's check these through together, hoping you've had a go. So G minor is related to B flat major, which has a key signature of B flats and E flats. And so here we can see we've got B flats and E flats. And so that's correct. This is G major, not G minor, so that's incorrect. And this is F major, which is completely unrelated in any way, shape or form. And then finally we have F minor, which is related to the key of A flat major, which has B flats, E flats, A flats and D flats. So in the bass clef, that's B, E, A, D. That looks correct to me. That's correct. This is the key signature for F major, not F minor. And then this one, it would be correct, but that's written in the wrong place. The flat should be there. B flats, E flats, A flats, D flats. And so that's that exercise now completed. Now here we have a challenge to ask if we can name the related keys, the major keys to the keys that we've done here. So I suggest this is a good opportunity for a little bit of revision because we've already just answered those. So let's just cover that over and just block that away. So just grab a piece of paper and just cover that over, and now just see if you can just revise these keys. The more you do things from memory, the more you kind of draw that information to mind instead of just passively copying, the more thoroughly that you learn it. And so we had C sharp minor, we had G minor, and the other key that we had was F minor. So do go ahead and just try and name the related major keys to these minor keys, and then go ahead and give them the key signature as well. Just go for it. It doesn't matter if it's wrong. Work in pencil. You can always erase it out and have another go, but just try that now from memory. So we know that C sharp minor is related to E major, which has a key signature of F, C, G, D sharp. So that's that one. Now G minor is related to B flat major, which has a key signature of B and E flats. And then F minor is related to A flat major, and that has a key signature of B flats, E flats, A flats and D flats. So that's those there, just a little revision exercise. Don't worry if you didn't get them all absolutely correct straight away. Just keep practicing, and the more that you do that, the more thoroughly that you'll learn it, even if it's learning through your mistakes. It's the best way to learn. So let's move on to exercise 3. So is it true or false? So this is just a little bit of revision, so I suggest you just go ahead and try and answer this. Is it true or false that G minor is the related key, the relative minor of B flat major? That is indeed true. We've already just discussed that. Is it true or false that F sharp minor has 2 sharps in its key signature? Well, that's not true, because F sharp minor is related to A major, which has F, C, G sharps, and so that should be 3 sharps, and so that's false, isn't it? Is it true that F major and F minor have the same key signature? Well, that's not true, because your related keys aren't the same tonic, are they? So F major has B flats. F minor is related to A flat major, which has B flats, E flats, A flats and D flats, not just the B flat of F major. So that's false, isn't it? Is it true that E major is the relative major of C sharp minor? Yes, that's true. Now, is it true that the tonic of a minor key is the 5th degree of its relative major? So let's think about this. We know, for example, that A minor is related to C major. So there's our tonic A for A minor. And then let's think about the major key. C, D, E, F, G, A. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's false, because actually A is the 6th. So that's not true at all. And then finally, we have a challenge here to complete the diagram by adding all of the keys and the key signatures for each of these keys in the bass clef. And although that seems quite an ordeal to begin with, actually, if you remember that we're working in fifths, we know that C major and our A minor have no sharps or flats. And then counting up in fives, we know that we go from 1 sharp, 2 sharps, 3 sharps, 4 sharps. This is the sharp side of the keys. And then if we count backwards, we have the flat side of the keys, and we go to 1 flat, 2 flats, 3 flats, 4 flats. And we know that the order of the sharps, it goes F, C, G, D sharps. And so if we knock one off, F, C, G, F, C, F sharps. That's all of the thinking done then, isn't it? And if we know that the order of the flats is B flats, E flats, A flats, D flats, and so if we just knock one off going backwards, B flats, E flats, A flats, B flats, E flats, or just B flats, now we know the key signatures and we can just now write those out. So of course, there's no sharps or flats here. C major and A minor have a key signature of nothing. And now F sharps in the bass clef is here. Good boys deserve football. So there's our F sharp. We're going to have that in every single key. And then we add F sharps. Now we add C sharps, all cows. So we know each one of these is going to have a C sharp. Now 3 sharps is F, C, G. In the bass clef, all cows eat grass. So we know that's going to have a G sharp, F, C, G. And then our final sharp is a D sharp, which is here. Good boys deserve. So it's easy to just kind of work from this, counting in fives, work up your circle of fifths, and just we know that each sharp is added onto the previous group. And so if we start here, we know that F major has B flats, and so in the bass clef that's going to be here. And so we know that each of these must also have B flats, good boys. And so 2 flats is B flats and E flats, all cows eat. So each one of these is going to have 2 flats. 3 flats is B flats, E flats, A flats. So that must also. And then to add the 4th, B, E, A, D, middle line. And that's that page completed. I hope this is helpful to your studies. Please do like and subscribe to stay updated. If you'd like to support this channel, you can buy me a coffee, and for advert-free lessons, you can become a patron. Do visit my website where you'll find many resources available to help you. Visit sharonbill.com. Thanks for watching. Bye.